You might think resetting Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings on your Galaxy A55 could be complicated, but it's a simple process that can help fix connectivity issues. Here's how you can do it. Start by opening the app drawer, find the Settings app, and tap on it. Once you're in the settings, scroll all the way down and tap on General Management. Next, scroll down again and select Reset. On the next screen, tap Reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth Settings. At the bottom of the screen, tap Reset Settings, and the reset process will begin immediately. After the reset, you'll need to reconnect to your Wi-Fi network and repair any Bluetooth devices. To check if your connection issues have been resolved, try browsing the web or running a speed test. You can also test your Bluetooth devices to see if they connect properly. In most cases, this simple procedure will fix any Wi-Fi or Bluetooth problems on your Galaxy A55. And that's it. I hope this video can help you. Please share the love by liking the video and subscribing to my channel. Thanks for tuning in.